How to play Modpacks with Friends Curseforge. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So to play Curseforge Modpacks with your friends, you need to make sure that everyone has the same modpack downloaded and that all mods are compatible and their versions are the same for everyone. So play as you can go to the Curseforge website or use the Curseforge app to look for the according mod pack that you want to play with your friends. So once you ensure that everyone has the same version of the same mod pack downloaded, you need to set up a Minecraft server that's going to be running the mod packs. You can either use the default Minecraft server that Mojang provides and host a server on your computer, which means that for the server to be up, it will need to drain resources from your computer and it might slow down just a little bit, plus you need to be online in order for it to be running. Then explain how to do this on the official Minecraft website. Just look for the Minecraft server, or you can pay a hosting service like Service Miner or Apex Hosting. Then you can choose a plan on this website and then they will host a mod pack for you 24/7. And all you have to do is pay a monthly fee. Server Miner, you just need to open up the installation prompt and from there you can select the mod pack that you want to use, and then under Apex Hosting you just have to go to your server info page and scroll down into the file tab. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.